Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining this session. And this program is totally on uh, uh, Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer program. This program, I would be covering. There are various modules in this, so I would be covering introduction into artificial intelligence, role and responsibility of chief artificial intelligence officer, and strategic leadership. In this program perspective, I would be covering um, the chief artificial intelligence officer, CAIO, uh, the chief artificial intelligence officer is an emerging executive role dedicated to overseeing an organization's AI strategy, implementation, and governance. As AI technologies, including generative AI, Gen AI, uh, became become integral part of business operations. The CIO uh, ensures these tools are effectively and ethically integrated to drive innovation and efficiency. Then comes introduction and overview of CIO, Chief AI Officer, holds a strategic role in the organization by leading the adoption and integration of artificial intelligence AI technologies to enhance business operations, drive innovation, and maintain a competitive edge. Then overview of strategic role of CIO, CAIO. Um, Part of this is AI strategic development. As part of this AI strategic development, and CIO um, develops and implement the AI strategy for the organization, aligning AI initiative with the company's overall business objective. This includes setting priorities, identifying opportunities for AI driven innovation, and determining the long term vision for AI integration. Then they also evaluate the potential impact of AI on different aspect of business, ensuring that AI initiative add value and are aligned with both market uh, trends and organization goals. Then comes as part of overview AI technology adoption. In this, the CIO is responsible for identifying and introducing new AI technologies that can improve operational efficiency, reduce cost, enhance the product efficiency, enhance the product offerings, or optimize customer experience. They collaborate with other department, example IT department, other supporting department, product development, and marketing to integrate AI solution into business process and in the product lines. Then, as part of data strategy and governance, AI project rely heavily on data, so that the CIO often oversees the organization's data strategy. This includes ensuring that data is properly collected, stored, and managed in a way that facilitates effectively AI use. They also define data governance framework to ensure compliance with regulation such as GDPR and to promote ethical AI practices. Then comes innovation and competitive advantage. The CIO plays a key role in driving AI driven innovation within the organization by consulting, exploring new AI application. They help the organization maintain a competitive advantage in the market, and they may also act as a thought leader, representing the organization in industry forum, partnership, and research collaboration to stay at a forefront of AI developments. Then comes the collaboration across department. CIO, the CIO often works closely with C-level executives such as CTO, CIO, uh, then CFO, and CEO to align AI strategy with the overall business goals and budget. They ensure that AI initiatives are aligned with broader company initiatives, fostering collaboration between departments like marketing, HR, R&D, and customer service to effectively utilize AI tools. Then, as part of AI ethics and risk management, and as AI technology evolves, ethical concerns around bias, fairness, transparency, and accountability becomes crucial. The CIO oversees the development and enforcement of AI ethics policies, ensuring that AI systems are designed and implemented in an ethical and transparent manner. They are also responsible for managing risk associated with AI implementation, such as potential for job displacement, security concern, and unintended consequences of AI system. Then talent and skill development. CIO helps build and manage AI talent pool within the organization by hiring AI expert data scientists and machine learning and engineers. They may also focus on upskilling existing employees to ensure that workforce is prepared for AI integration. This involves creating training programs and fostering a culture of continuous learning. In metrics and ROI of AI investment. Then comes the CIO is responsible for defining key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of AI project, ensuring that investment in AI are yielding a return. They regularly report on progress of AI initiative and their impact on the organization and bottom line. They work to ensure that AI projects deliver measurable business value and are scalable for future growth. Leadership and advocacy part. As part of this, as a senior executive, CIO is also a leader and advocate for AI across the organization, inspiring in team to embrace AI as a transformative tool. They help overcome any organization resistance to AI adoption and serve as the spokesperson for AI related effort within the organization. Uh, so the his CIO, Chief AI Officer role required. So that's a big that's a question. The large tech companies and AI focused firms, the organization where AI is core to the product or service. Example, tech giants like Google, Microsoft, or AI startups. The chief AI officer role is often critical to manage the complexity of AI integration and innovation. Non-tech industries is the industries like manufacturing, finance, healthcare, or retail. AI adaptation is growing, but the role of CIO may be more specialized or shared across other senior leaders such as CTO or CIO. However, as artificial intelligence become more integral to business strategy, CAIO CIO responsibilities is no, and then small to medium entrepreneur SMEs is the type of typical, what is that role as part of this small to medium enterprise is in smaller companies. The role of CAIO may be less common, and with AI effort often led by other senior leaders or other source to the third party AI consultants. In summary, a chief AI officer is essential when AI is a significant and component of the business strategy, a strategic direction, especially for larger organization looking to stay competitive and innovative using AI technology. Their role is critical in managing AI project, ensuring ethical practices, and unlocking in the full potential of AI across the business. Then comes key uh, responsibility of chief AI officer. As part of the strategic alignment, um, developing and aligning AI initiative with the organization overall business objective to transform technology potential into strategic advantages. Ethical oversight, ensuring AI application adhere to ethical standards, promoting trust and compliance with the regulatory requirements. And then innovation leadership perspective, um, identifying and leveraging emerging AI uh, opportunities to position the organization at the forefront of industry innovation. Then comes operational integration, embedding AI into business process to enhance efficiency and productivity, such as utilizing AI assistants for data-driven insights. Then the other responsibilities are as part of key risk management, identifying and mitigating risk associated with AI project, ensuring responsible and ethical use of AI. Typical role of chief AI officer. Uh, 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 the chief AI officer works closely with the various executive to ensure cohesive AI integration. CIO and the CTO collaborates to assess, and enhance the technological infrastructure supporting AI initiatives. Then CFO, Chief Financial Officer, articulates the value proposition of AI investment, aligning them with the financial planning and risk management strategy. Then Chief Marketing Officer and Chief Operating Officer identifies opportunities for AI to enhance customer experience and streamline operations. The rise of Chief AI Officer role, the increasing prominence of AI has led to organizations to recognize the need of dedicated leadership. A survey indicated that 54% of organizations have an AI leader, through oh, only 12% holds the CI, a Chief AI Officer title, suggesting trends towards formalizing this role. In US, federal agency and mandated to appoint chief AI officer to coordinate AI use, promote innovative innovation, and manage associated risk, underscoring the role growing important. As part of this CAIO will responsibilities, using AI as a catalyst for data and process transformations, integrating expertise between AI technologies and business drivers. Then other responsibilities, turning department and the process pilots into scalable, reusable solutions, identifying and mitigating AI risk that will continue to emerge in concern with AI complexity and cascading outputs, delivering efficiency forecast into financial realities, ensuring privacy, security, and ethical conduct of AI solution, enhancing predictive and event-driven data forecast using layered intelligence decision and making, and identifying and building a workforce that embrace AI while understanding its limitations. So typically, as depicted over here, chief yeah, officer role and responsibilities, AI goals and oversight, AI strategic alignment with domains, culture and process adoption and continuous adoption, scalable and auditable, enterprise leverage and reusability, building block architecture linked into innovation KPIs, skill set acquisition and reskilling. So traditional role and their impact, collaboration and responsibility with a chief AI officer. So typically, as part of chief executive officer's role, as part of AI, what all the things he has to do, then chief operating officer, uh, chief information officer, then chief technology officer, chief data officer, chief risk officer. As part of now we'll be going in detail about chief executive officer as part of AI. What in what all the things? What is his role? Typically, AI becomes integrated into daily operations, impacting decision and outcomes. Increased data-driven and informed and predictive decision making, augment corporate growth plans and budgets. Then, as part of COO, users uses the output from CAIO or team to streamline operations and automate business processes. AI efficiency and driving automation solution sets. Then even of chief risk officer, use of predictive AI model for workflows, decision making, and regulatory compliance. Collaborate collaborative arrangement with the CIO surrounding security, loss, reuse, and DAP. So, as depicted over here, multidimensional role of chief AI officer across enterprise. AI becomes the catalyst to organization transformation. Chief AI officer works with all C levels to align AI initiative with enterprise goals, uh, enhance decision making, and streamline operations silos. The CIO and the team create opportunity for enhanced data driven and decision making. And chief AI officer role and responsibility breaks down siloed initiative for or employ in technology to create leverage. Ensure that highly skilled AI personnel are integrated across enterprise. A chief AI officer enables data-driven and enterprise AI culture and provides the scale, recovery, and transparency demanded by oversight, regulation, and personal. Then comes understanding the tools and application for chief AI officer. As part of this understanding of tools and application for chief AI officer, a CAIO needs comprehensive understanding of tools and applications that enable AI technology to function effectively within the organization. The role requires not just strategic oversight, but also a known knowledge, uh, deep knowledge of the tools that can make AI initiatives successful. As part of this AI development framework and different libraries. For this whole, which all the tools, under tools, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and Scikit Learn. What exactly CIO needs to understand, and which tool are best suited for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. They may not directly develop the model, but must understand which li- libraries and frameworks within will need the organization specific need. Then data infrastructure and analytics platform. For this, the tools are like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Google BigQuery, and AWS data lakes. A solid understanding of data storage, processing, and analytics platform is essential, as data is backbone of AI models. The a chief AI officer must ensure that the infrastructure can handle the scale and complexity of data needed to train AI model effectively. Then comes a cloud AI platform. Google Cloud AI, AWS AI services, Microsoft Azure AI. These are the different tools, and the chief AI officer should know how to leverage cloud platform that provide AI tools and services such as managed machine learning, natural language processing (NLP), and image recognition APIs, allowing for efficient models deployment and scaling. Then comes AI and automation tools. UniPath, then automation anywhere, IBM Watson, and as automation become a key part of AI adoption, the chief AI officer should understand tools that help automate the business process through AI, such as robotics, process automation (RPA), and AI-driven and workflow management. Machine learning operations. In this machine learning flow, Kubernetes flow, Kuber, Kubert, Kubert flow, TFX, the TensorFlow, or extended, and the CIO should be familiar with tools for managing life cycle of machine learning models, from development to deployment and continuous monitoring. Machine learning operations ensure that AI systems are scalable, maintainable, and continuous improving. Then comes natural language processing (NLP) and computer vision, and GPT, BERT, OpenCV, TensorFlow. These are the different tools. And if the organization is looking for implementing AI in customer service, chatbots, or image processing, in exam product categorization, and the chief AI officer need to understand how NLP and computer vision application work. Then comes as part of AI ethics and bias decision tools, uh, where various tools like IBM AI fairness, 360 Google what if tools,